Hello students, today I am taking more problems from the topic derivative of exponential and logarithmic functions, and in that continuation from the exercise 5.4 I will take few more sums. Sum number 5, y equals to log cos e power x, then find dy by dx. So in this problem, see, by using the chain rule, when y equals to log cos e power x, then dy by dx will be log cos e power x. So it will be 1 upon cos e power x and d by dx of cos e power x. This is the chain rule which we have done. The extra part here is that we are using exponential function here. So in the next step, it is 1 upon cos e power x, and the derivative of cos e power x is minus sine e power x, and then still the chain rule d by dx of e power x. Now you see, minus sine e power x upon cos e power x, so it will be minus 10 e power x. And what is the derivative of e power x? It will be e power x. So the main part here is the derivative of exponential function. You see one more problem here. This is problem number 7 in the exercise. Sixth one you can try yourself. That is the simple sum. If y equals to root e power root x, then find dy by dx. So you see the solution of this by using the chain rule, or the another name for the chain rule is function of function. Dy by dx will be 1 upon, what is the derivative of root x? Suppose this is x here, root x. So derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So 1 upon 2 root e power root x, and now according to the chain rule, d by dx of e power root x. See, I have taken root x become 1 upon 2 root x as it is, and then d by dx of e power root x, whatever is inside the root, because it is not x. When it is x, the step will be over here only, but when it is not x, it is some other function, then we use the property that is derivative of function of function. So the next step is 1 upon 2 root e power root x. Now the derivative of e power root x is e power root x, and still the third chain, and that is d by dx of root x. So the next step is e power root x upon 2 root e power root x, and the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So it will go up to this step. So I hope you all understood this part. You can further simplify, or you can leave your answer here only. I am taking one more sum. Please see. The problem is, this is problem number 10 from the exercise, and the problem is, if y equals to cos log x plus e power x, then find dy by dx. So in this, you see dy by dx will be cos something. So when it is cos something, the answer will be minus sine log x plus e power x, and then d by dx of log x plus e power x. Please see this. Sine cos log x plus e power x. So it is minus sine. Cos will be minus sine. And this part will remain as it is. Now because it is not x, so we will take further derivative. The next step is minus sine log x plus e power x. And now you see the derivative of log x is 1 by x, and the derivative of e power x is e power x. So this is the final answer for this particular sum. So that is the meaning of the chain rule, although these sums are related to exercise 5.2. But why these type of sums are given separately in exercise 5.4? Because here logarithmic function and exponential functions are involved in this particular type of exercise. So I hope you all understood this. It is the part of the chain rule only. Do the practice of this and this part more, because this part will have the proper basics of the derivative. Thank you.